Hello and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen's midweek recipe. Today I'm making another Chinese vegetable stir fry. It is an assortment of vegetables stir fried with garlic. I've listed the ingredients in the description box below, so come, let's just dive in. I have 250 grams of cauliflower here that I'm going to cut into florets. Now, cauliflower is reputed to be low in calories, a good source of antioxidants with a high fiber content and is nutrient dense. Apparently, boiling cauliflower makes it lose its antioxidants, but stir frying appears to be okay, so we are alright. Two small carrots sliced diagonally. Carrots are said to improve one's immunity, are low in calories, rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene. Also, eating carrots is supposed to be good for your eyes. The shitake mushrooms come next. Let's see what their benefits are. Well, they support the immune system. They have a very high amount of natural copper that supports healthy blood vessels and bones. They are also a rich source of selenium. I've just removed their stems and I'm now cutting them into slices. These are the stems of the green amaranth known as bayam locally. Let's try and remove its outer strands as much as possible. One fresh red chilli that I'm cutting into strips. I'm using the chilli as a vegetable in this dish. We now come to the aromatics. 5 cloves of garlic that I am bruising and chopping up. I have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on a low heat in a wok. I'm going to saute the garlic first. Let's saute the garlic until it turns light brown and fragrant. The garlic has been frying on a low flame for 2 minutes now. I'm increasing the flame to medium before I add the carrots and the cauliflower. Adding the carrots and the cauliflower. Let's fry these vegetables for 1 minute on high. It's been a minute. I'm now adding 50 ml of water to help the vegetables cook. I'm now going to cook this for 3 minutes. That's 3 minutes gone, so I'm adding the rest of the vegetables now. The bayam stems, the shitake mushrooms, and the fresh red chilli. Let's give them all a toss and cook them for 3 minutes. I'm now adding another 50 ml of water to help in the cooking. My flame is at a high that is comfortable for my wok. Please adjust your flame accordingly. Adding a couple of dashes of pepper now. The water has evaporated, so let's test the vegetables to see if they are cooked. They are, so on to the next ingredient, that is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. Let's stir to combine the ingredients. Now adding a cornflour slurry made with 1 tablespoon of cornflour mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. The dish is done, so I'm turning off the stove. Here you have it, vegetable stir-fried with garlic. An easy vegetable stir-fry that new cooks and busy cooks can make for a weeknight dinner. Enjoy, my friends. Until I see you again with another recipe, Selamat berpuasa, stay safe, thank you, bye.